Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike, and I'm here to help you speak better English every single day. Today, we're going to talk about something really important, something that almost everyone gets nervous about when they're learning English. Have you ever walked into a restaurant and felt scared? Scared because you don't know what to say? Scared because the waiter is waiting and you're just frozen? Yeah, I've been there. And trust me, it's not fun. But here's the good news. After today's lesson, you will know exactly what to say when you order food at a restaurant. You'll sound confident, you'll sound natural, and you'll actually enjoy the experience. So, let's dive in. Let's learn together. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning. You walk into the restaurant, the door opens, and then what happens? This is where most people freeze, because someone is going to talk to you right away. Usually, it's the host or the hostess. That's the person who greets you at the door. Now, here's a funny story. The first time I went to a restaurant in another country, I didn't know what to say. The hostess smiled at me and said, "Hello, welcome," and I just stood there, like a statue. She probably thought I didn't speak any English at all, but really, I was just nervous. So, what should you say? It's actually super simple. When the host or hostess greets you, they usually ask one question: how many people? Or, how many in your party? Party doesn't mean a birthday party here. It just means your group. So if you're with two friends, you say, "3 people, please," or just "3, please." Easy, right? Now, sometimes they ask, "Do you have a reservation?" A reservation is when you call the restaurant before and book a table. If you have one, you say "yes" under the name Mike. If you don't, just say, "No, we don't." And here's the magic sentence that makes everything smooth. "Table for 2, please," or "table for 3, please." That's it. You walk in. They ask how many people, you answer, and they take you to your table. Simple, natural, confident. All right, now you're sitting down. The waiter or waitress comes over, and they give you the menu. And this is where things get interesting, because sometimes the menu has words you've never seen before. Let me tell you something. Even native English speakers get confused by fancy menus sometimes. I once saw a menu that said pan-seared scallops with truffle reduction, and I was like, what is a reduction? Is that a sauce? Is it a vegetable? I had no idea, so I just pointed at the picture. But here's what you need to know. Most menus have 3 main sections. First, appetizers. These are small dishes you eat before the main meal, like soup, salad, or chicken wings. Second, main course or entrees. This is the big dish. The main meal, like steak, pasta, or fish. And third, desserts. That's the sweet stuff at the end, like cake, ice cream, or pie. Now, when the waiter comes, they usually say, "Hi, can I start you off with something to drink?" This is your first chance to practice. Just say what you want. "Water, please," or "iced tea, please," or "Can I see the drink menu?" And here's a pro tip. If you don't understand something on the menu, don't be afraid to ask. You can say, "What's in this dish?" or "What do you recommend?" Waiters love that question, because then they can tell you their favorite dishes, and usually their recommendations are really good. So don't be shy. Ask questions. It's part of the experience. Okay, now comes the big moment. The waiter is standing next to your table, pen and paper ready, and they say, "Are you ready to order?" And here's the mistake that almost everyone makes. They panic. They say, yes, maybe, I think." Listen, it's okay to say, "Not yet. Can we have a few more minutes?" That's totally normal. Waiters are used to it. But when you are ready, here's exactly what to say. First, start with I'll have or can I get? So, for example, I'll have the grilled chicken, or can I get the Caesar salad? Now, sometimes the waiter asks you extra questions, like, how would you like your steak cooked? If you don't know, here's a quick guide. Rare means very pink inside, medium means a little pink, and well done means no pink at all, fully cooked. Most people say medium or well done. Another question they might ask is, what side would you like with that? A side dish is the extra food that comes with your main meal, like fries, rice, or vegetables. Just pick one and say it clearly. Fries, please. Or can I get the mashed potatoes? Now, here's where you can sound really natural. After you order, you can add little phrases like, that sounds great, or perfect, thank you. This makes you sound confident and friendly, and the waiter will appreciate it. One more thing. If you want to change something in your order, you can say, can I get that without onions? Or can I have extra cheese on that? Don't worry, customizing your order is super common in English-speaking countries. It's not rude at all. All right, your food arrives, it looks amazing. You take your first bite, and it's delicious. But then, a few minutes later, the waiter comes back, and they ask, how is everything? Is everything okay? Now, most people just nod and say yes really quietly. But here's how to sound more natural. You can say, it's great, thank you, or everything's perfect, or even just really good. But what if something is wrong? What if your food is cold? Or they gave you the wrong dish? Here's the polite way to say it. Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered. Or sorry, but this is a little cold. Can you warm it up? Always start with, excuse me or sorry. This makes it polite. And trust me, the restaurant will fix it right away. Now, sometimes the waiter asks, can I get you anything else? If you need something, this is the time to ask. Like, can I have some more water, please? Or can we get some extra napkins? If you're happy, just say, no, we're good. Thank you. And here's something really cool. In American restaurants especially, you can always ask for a to-go box or a doggy bag. That's a container for leftover food. You can take it home. Just say, can I get a box for this, please? It's super common. Don't feel embarrassed. Okay, you've finished eating, you're full, you're happy, and now you want to leave. But the waiter hasn't come back yet, and you're sitting there, waiting and waiting and waiting. This happens to everyone, and it's totally normal, because in many English-speaking countries, waiters don't bring the check until you ask for it. They don't want to rush you. So, how do you ask for it? The most common way is to say, can we get the check, please? Or in British English, can we have the bill, please? Both are correct. Both are polite. Now, when the check arrives, you look at it. And sometimes you'll see extra charges, like tax or tip. Let me explain. Tax is added by the government. You can't change it. And a tip is extra money you leave for the waiter. In the United States, tips are usually 15 to 20% of the total bill. I know, tipping can be confusing, but it's a normal part of eating out in places like the US and Canada. If you're paying with a credit card, the waiter will take your card and bring it back with a receipt. Then you write the tip amount on the receipt and sign it. If you're paying with cash, just leave the money on the table with the check. Easy. And before you leave, it's nice to say, thank you, have a great day, or just, thanks, everything was great. That's it. You're done. You ordered food, you ate, you paid, and you did it all in English. So, let's recap everything we learned today. First, when you arrive, say, table for two, please. Simple and clear. Second, when you're looking at the menu, ask questions. What do you recommend is your best friend. Third, when you order, say, "I'll have," and don't be afraid to customize. "Can I get that without onions?" is totally fine. Fourth, during the meal, if something's wrong, speak up politely. "Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered." And finally, when you're ready to go, ask for the check. "Can we get the check, please?" That's it. 5 simple steps, and now you know exactly what to say at any restaurant. Here's the thing. Ordering food in English isn't scary. It's just practice, and every time you do it, you get better, more confident, more natural. So next time you walk into a restaurant, remember this lesson. Take a deep breath, smile, and speak clearly. You've got this. All right, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what restaurant situation makes you the most nervous. I'll read every single one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, English gets easier every single day. Goodbye.